Hello planner loves, how are you guys today? I am doing well and life. So anywho, today I have a plan with me for you guys. It is the week of the 8th through the 14th and we are using this mini kit that I recently hauled from SunsetStickerCo. I haven't gotten to really do like a huge fall spread yet, so before I dove into Halloween I wanted to use this kit. It was called October. I don't know if it's still available because it is, called October. So I don't know if she'll be selling it through October or if she stopped selling it at the beginning of October. But either way, it is a mini kit. And I'm really excited for all of this over here. I love all the functional scripty stuff, and the little things are fine. I kind of have gotten away from these type of headers, so it's a thing. Let's see, if we flip back, this was the monthly kit from her shop for September, and it came out really cute, but I don't know. I got a lot of stuff to show you guys because I got to pull some stuff in. So first up, I have a weekly ombre here from Pretty in Pink Designs. This was given to me. I don't know if the shop's still open. I'm going to be using these brown glitter headers from amandakcrafts, these orange glitter headers from A Coffee Fairy Plans. They were leftovers. I have some Sarah Elizabeth print stickers pulled. Then I'm going to use this blue from Love of Printables because there's the 3 accent colors. I have habit trackers from AV Organizing, planners from Stickerific, little stethoscopes from Stickerific. These are from Brianna and Nicole Designs. Some banners from Temp Loves Crafts. I don't know why I have those. And then I have all of my little script stickers from Formless Designs. And that pretty much covers everything I've pulled so far. So the hunt for things started and I had to get that going. I apologize that this video is up late, but I have been sick with stomach flu since last Thursday. So Thursday I got it Wednesday night. It was passing around work, like everybody missed work last week. And then I missed work Thursday, missed work Friday. I started feeling better late afternoon Friday, and then just kind of spent the weekend recuperating because it was horrendous. So that's all I got to say about that. But we are going to go ahead and jump into this. This is a collab with the Plan With Me design group, just like every week, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's listen to some music. Here we go. it was definitely interesting to pull things together for this spread. So we have used up the entire full box sheet. So tons of headers and littles, some functional stuff here, and then this one's done as well. So yeah, that pretty much takes care of all of these sheets. We'll set those aside. I showed you guys at the beginning a lot of the stuff I was going to use. I pulled in a Hello Cupcake Plans, a little dentist, a munchkin from Once More with Love. It's a special spread if I pulled in a munchkin. This hat is from Dragons and Hearts and Dragons or something like that. I'll be using a kit from her soon. I just hauled it, so definitely go check out the hauls on my channel. The film and edit stickers are from Temp Loves Crafts. The trash day is from Tassel Planner. And I think I went over everything else. Oh, this ombre box was from Brianna Nicole Designs, and the little spray bottle is from Cheerful Planner Girl. Yes. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the spread. Don't forget to check everybody else out in the Plan With Me design group. Links will be down below in the description box. If you have any questions or constructive criticism, let me know down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will talk to you again really, really soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.